Okay, conditional probability is the probability that an event will occur given that another event has already occurred. If A and B are two events, then the conditional probability of A given B is written as P and then A given B. So the line here noted that it is given equal to probability of A intercept B divided by PB. So PB cannot equal to 0. And probability of B given A, so equal to probability of B intersect A divided by PA. So PA cannot equal to 0. So yang dekat depan ni adalah probability that we need to find. And at the back is probability that already given or already happened. Okay, so probability of A given B is read as the probability of A given B. We also can write the formula as probability of A intercept B equal to probability of A given B times by probability of B. So we just rearrange our equation. Okay, for conditional probability, we can use tree diagram to solve the conditional probability problems. So this is the formula of conditional probability. So this is the tree diagram. So the first branch, we have the probability of A and A prime, which is the probability of A happening and probability of A not happening. So the probability kita letak dekat atas branch. Kita tulis probability atas branch. Dekat hujung ni adalah kita punya outcomes ataupun result. Okay, yang di belakang ni, when we continue to do our probability. So yang atas ni adalah probability of B given A. So means that A is already happen. Okay, so kat hujung ni adalah outcomes untuk yang the second one. Okay, so AB is the result of our tree diagram. So AB and then AB prime, we have A prime B and A prime B prime. So remember, we multiply along the branch. So these two probability we will multiply. Okay, so AB is equal to P A intercept B as well. Example 1. So the event A and B are such that PA is equal to 1 over 4, PB is equal to 1 over 3, and PA union B is equal to 5 over 12. So we need to find the probability of A intercept B. So we use the additional probability rule, which is probability of A union B is equal to PA plus PB minus PA intercept B. So dalam soalan, we already have PA union B, which is 5 over 12. And then PA is 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3 minus PA intercept B. Okay, now we rearrange our equation and we can find the probability of A intercept B. So 5 over 12 minus 1 over 4 and minus 1 over 3. And then you will get 1 over 6. Okay, question B. The question asks for us to find the probability of B given A. So by using the formula of conditional probability, so we have probability of B intercept A divided by probability of A. So probability of B intercept A, we already found it from part A. Okay, so we took from part A, which is PB intercept A is equal to PA intercept B. So we put here 1 over 6 divided by our probability of A, which is 1 over 4, and we simplify our answer and we will get 2 over 3. Question C. For question C, so we use the formula of conditional probability as well. So probability of A intercept B divided by PB. So from part A, we already have the probability of A intercept B, so 1 over 6, divided by probability of B, which is 1 over 3. So simplify our answer, then we will get 1 over 2. Okay, next we want to find the probability of A intercept B bar. So the formula we have already learned in the previous video, which is probability of A minus probability of A intercept B, which is 1 over 4 minus 1 over 6 equal to 1 over 12. If you can't remember this formula, so do it manually. Now you have the event A and event B. So we want to find probability of A intercept selain daripada B. So A is this one, and selain daripada B adalah kita lorek luar daripada B. Okay, the one yang intercept, which it has 2 line, is our answer that we need to find. So this part, the intersection part. So to find this formula, yang bahagian yellow ni, so kita akan ambil probability of A tolak probability of A intercept B. Okay. So do this one if you don't remember the formula. Okay, for question E, so we need to find the probability of A given B bar. So use the formula for conditional probability. So probability of A intercept B bar divided by probability of B bar. Okay, so the probability of A intercept B bar is 1 over 12. We already got it from question D, and then divided by probability of B bar, which is 1 minus probability of B, so 1 over 3. Then kita simplify dalam calculator dan kita akan dapat 1 over 8. Okay, next question, example 2. In a college, 12% of the students are left-handed, 15% of the students wear glasses, and 3% are both left-handed and wear glasses. So we need to find the probability lah. Okay, first, before we continue to find the probability, so we need to transfer this sentence into mathematical words. Okay, so it said we need to denote our event. We name our event as L, event of student that are left-handed, and then we have the one that wears spectacles, so we put spectacle plus wear glasses, so we put G as an event of student wearing glasses. Okay, so the probability of student is left-handed is 0.12. We convert it into the decimal. And the probability of student wear glasses, so PG is 0.15, and 3% are both left-handed and wear glasses. So probability of L intercept G, 0.03. Okay, now so you want to find the probability that student left-handed or wear glasses. So or means that union. So probability of L union G. So use the additional probability rule, PL plus PG minus PL intercept G. So we have 0.12 plus 0.15 minus 0.03, and then we can get 0.24. So for question B, find the probability that student is left-handed. Okay, given. So given here means that it is a conditional probability. Okay, so we need to find the probability of L given student wear glasses. Okay, so use the formula, probability of L intercept G divided by PG. So we will have 0.03 divided by 0.15, and then simplify, we can get 0.2. Question C. Okay, find the probability that student is wear glasses given that student is left-handed. So this is also a conditional probability problem. So you need to find the probability of wear glasses given left-handed. So use the formula G intercept L divided by probability of L. So we can have 0.03 divided by 0.12. Then the answer is 0.25. Okay, so that's all for this video. So we will continue for the next video. So thank you for listening.